Did you know that a shattered mirror can shatter your entire wall due to flying glass shards? When a mirror breaks, it can create a hazardous situation for anyone nearby. A single shard can cause severe injuries, and in extreme cases, even death. The reason behind this is the sharp, jagged edges of the glass shards. These edges can be as sharp as a razor blade, making them extremely dangerous. But what happens when the glass breaks into tiny pieces? Like when you drop it on a hard floor, the pieces may seem harmless, but they can still cause cuts and injuries. Imagine stepping on a piece of broken glass with your bare foot. It's a painful experience. This is why it's essential to handle broken glass with care and caution. Wear gloves and protective eyewear to prevent any potential harm. Use a dustpan and brush to collect the pieces carefully and safely. Once you've seated all the pieces, dispose of them properly in a seed container. Do not try to sweep or vacuum the broken glass once you've seated all pieces, as it can cause more harm. Dispose of them properly in a seed container sealed container. Instead, use a gentle sweeping motion to remove any remaining debris. If you're dealing with a large area of broken glass, consider consulting a professional. They can help you safely clean and repair the damage. It's also crucial to clean the area thoroughly after the cleanup process. Use a mixture of soap and water to remove any remaining residue or stains. Allow the area to dry completely before using it again. But that's not the only reason why mirrors are a hazard. They can also cause emotional distress. Imagine finding a broken mirror in your bedroom, reflecting your shattered emotions. The shattered glass can symbolize the broken pieces of your heart and mind. This is why it's essential to handle broken mirrors with care and sensitivity. Dispose of them carefully, and consider seeking professional help if needed. A broken mirror can be a metaphor for the shattered pieces of our lives. It can represent the fragility of our emotions and the importance of self-care. This is why it's crucial to prioritize our mental health and well-being. Take care of your emotional and physical health, and you'll be stronger and more resilient. But what happens when you want to repair a broken mirror? The process is relatively simple, but it requires patience and attention to detail. First, gather the necessary materials, including glass adhesive, a putty knife, and a clean cloth. Carefully clean the broken glass and the surrounding area to prevent any further damage.
Apply a small amount of glass adhesive to the broken glass and attach it to the mirror frame.
Use a putty knife to spread the adhesive evenly and ensure a strong bond. Allow the adhesive to dry completely before handling the mirror. Once the adhesive is dry, use a clean cloth to remove any excess residue. Inspect the mirror for any remaining imperfections or damage. If necessary, apply a second coat of adhesive and repeat the process. With patience and care, you can repair a broken mirror and restore it to its former glory. However, if the damage is severe or you're not comfortable with the repair process, it's always best to consult a professional for assistance and guidance. They can help you assess the damage and provide a suitable solution. A professional can also ensure that the repair is done safely and effectively. This is especially important when dealing with large or heavy mirrors. In this case, it's best to leave the repair to a professional with the necessary expertise. They can handle the situation with care and caution, minimizing the risk of further damage. So, the next time you encounter a broken mirror, remember to handle it with care and sensitivity. Dispose of it carefully, and consider seeking professional help if needed. Prioritize your emotional and physical health, and you'll be stronger and more resilient. Take care of your mental well-being, and you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges. Now that you know the importance of handling broken mirrors with care and sensitivity, you can take steps to prevent such situations in the future. Regularly inspect your mirrors for any signs of damage or wear. Address any issues promptly to prevent them from becoming more severe problems. By taking proactive steps, you can maintain your mirrors and prevent accidents. And if you're dealing with a broken mirror, don't hesitate to seek professional help. They can assist you in safely repairing or replacing the mirror. Remember, It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to handling broken mirrors. So take the necessary precautions, and you'll be able to enjoy your mirrors without worrying about safety. Now, let's talk about the different types of mirrors and their unique characteristics. From decorative mirrors to security mirrors, each type has its own features and benefits. Decorative mirrors are designed to add aesthetic value to a room. They come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, from modern to traditional. Security mirrors, on the other hand, are designed for surveillance and safety. They often have a convex shape, allowing for a wider field of view. Some security mirrors also feature a reflective coating to enhance visibility. When choosing a mirror, consider your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a decorative mirror, opt for a style that complements your room's decor. If you need a security mirror, choose one with a convex shape and reflective coating. Remember to always follow safety precautions when handling mirrors. Wear gloves and protective eyewear to prevent injuries. Collect and broken, consider glass seeking and safely.
Dispose of broken glass in a sealed container and consider seeking professional help if needed.
By taking the necessary precautions and choosing the right mirror for your needs, you can enjoy your mirrors without worrying about safety or aesthetics. In conclusion, mirrors can be a hazard if not handled with care and sensitivity. However, with the right knowledge and precautions, you can maintain your mirrors and prevent accidents. Remember to prioritize your emotional and physical health, and you'll be stronger and more resilient. Take care of your mental well-being, and you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges. If you found this information helpful, subscribe for more DIY tutorials and safety tips. Like and comment below with your favorite DIY project or safety tip. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Subscribe for more DIY tutorials and safety tips.